Alright, so it's nighttime. I gotta be quiet. But as you can see, I'm on a stock ride height. It's terrible. So today we're gonna be installing these H&R lowering springs all around on the car. My boy Keith got a nasty Honda to look out for. But yeah, we're gonna be doing that, and I'm gonna try to record as much as I can because we're trying to hurry up and get it done. It's late at night. But yeah, so let's hit that like button, subscribe if y'all new. Let's get into it. We got it jacked up. That's what we got. We might have to take the springs off this, but I don't know. It might, because these came off of E92 M3. So taking this part off right here.
Jack, put it up under here so when it falls down, it's not gonna drop.
The jack underneath the wheel.
Yeah, go up just a little bit. Right there. What you would do is, we gotta try to rotate a little bit so this can clear it. So once we drop this down, we gotta take this bolt out, we get a flathead, pry it through and bang it up, hit it here. Damn, I ain't bringing a fucking WD-40, but we can get it. Shouldn't be that bad. So, let's see what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna take these wires out.
Yeah, I seen it done on YouTube.
It's not that hard. It's just that you gotta know how to maneuver this shit. This shit definitely gotta come out.
That
sway
bolt
bar.
Yeah, sway bar link. And link or
for that.
something like that.
I did Ant's car. All his cars.
Oh, his suspension.
All three. Fucking BMW. Oh, man, it look like it's old though. I don't see nothing leaking right now.
Yeah,
maybe
probably.
something's rubbing. There's probably something in here.
Yeah, I think it's the power stand. I don't know.
Oh, I gotta hold the back of it. All right, give me.
You need a 16 opening.
Time for all that shit, man.
What's a holder?
Box wrench.
Opening?
Yeah, I think I got one in that bag. I got it. Reach it.
I'll be chilling.
Don't say that out loud, bro.
What you mean?
You telling everybody that. Oh, shit at work.
I don't. I get paid to do nothing, bro. They know we don't. We get paid to be on call pretty much.
Alright, so now get the granddaddy bolt down here.
Well, that thick motherfucker.
Right here.
That thick boy. That's a 16 maybe. 17.
18. Well, you know the BMW ain't no
got 18?
shit. No, 16. Like when you done?
Yeah.
Cause it's hot out here, bro. So
Oh.
my tag's good, so I'll follow you. Till you get to the highway and shit. After that, you on your own, player. On your own. All the way. Do that up there. So the easiest way to do this shit.
Cause we got we down and out.
And I think this way would be better.
So you gonna try to just take the whole thing out?
Yeah, got to, bro.
Cause I mean, they look the same. I mean, these just look a little bit bulkier. But I don't think it'll make a difference. But if you do that, don't
Okay,
you?
so now what we're gonna do with this right here. Come on, baby, come on. Yes, yes. I got it in the fucking plastic. Raise up on this as softly as you can. Right here. Please, just be careful. Right here, right here. Softly. Okay, that's it. There we go. That's good. All right. Hopefully, this shit isn't a bitch to come up. This is always the bitch. Cause
Just sliding it out.
yeah.
No, yeah, I seen that on the what's the name.
So what I usually do is stick a fly head in here, and it should just come right up. So fly head right here. Ain't that shit in there. But what it does is it gives it space.
Open up.
Open this bitch up. Oh.
You think he nice, huh? That whole came out. That grease helped.
Yeah, fucking grease did help. All right,
So
now,
they look the same, bro.
yeah, but that shit is kind of bulky. Bro.
Yeah, it is.
So put it up side by side and see.
Oh yeah, look at the side, bro. Yeah, it is bulkier.
See how the height is. About the same height.
It might work.
Um,
You think the problem would be fitting it in there?
maybe. We're gonna find out and try it. All right, so let's just take the other side off. Cause what I want to do
Just have them both out,
yeah, have them both out.
and then we just knock it out.
Yeah.
All right. That boy about to be low. Mm-hmm. About time. You know it's crazy. He was always telling me I should have been did this. It's like he been told me to lower the car.
Goddamn ricer, that's why. Fucking ricer.
But it's gonna be low after today. I'm gonna be like, I got tired of seeing that gap, bro.
Like that. She's off. Boom. Alright, so
Next one we just gonna, I'm gonna just time lapse this shot. So we finally got it in there. I don't know if you can see. We just put the wheels on in the front. Now we have left is the rear. After the, I don't even want to talk about.
We don't say rear, we say after.
After.
Pause.
So, the other side. Yes, sir. It's in. Ready to see the height. Almost died. Oh my God. They got that jack. Huh?
Set the jacket.
What you mean?
Set the jacket.
Oh yeah, you're right. All right, so we about to start on the back. All right, so we about to do the rear. Now I got it jacked up and everything. I'll show you the after. I'm trying to hurry up and do this way. So we about to take the wheels off and then I'll show you after. Just finished it. Let's see where it go. And it gotta settle.
No, you gotta drop the e-brake.
All right, guys, so this is the next morning. I wanted to wait so I could show you exactly what it looked like and how it fits on the car. I'm actually very, very happy with the way that it turned out. Kind of tired because it's like 9 something right now. I still got a lot of aesthetic stuff to do with this car, but overall, that looks clean. So the next things I'm gonna do is black out this reflector right there, this orange reflector, and black out this chrome trim. Get another front bumper and get a different wheel spec, to be honest. But I like it. It's dropped a lot in the front, which is great. Was really what I needed. The back was already pretty low, so it still has to settle, still settling in and everything. But for the most part, I love it. I appreciate everybody checking into the video. I was about to say, I appreciate everybody checking into the video. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications on. I'm gonna be back with more content, more fire. I'm gonna be getting a GoPro soon, so I'll see you on the next video. All right, let's go, let's get it, game.
Hey, did this by my lonely, hey. I've been staying low-key, hey. Dead presidents, my homies. I've been high smoking O's, these are OG, hey. I've been getting no sleep.